Welcome to a video by Abraham. So this is plain table with a board. It has tripod stand. I show you this one is for attaching. This part is attached to the top of the board, and this is only for tightening this so that it becomes tight. You can extend all these. There is a screw here. You can extend these legs height as per your requirement. All three legs can be they can be lifted up, and then this works. And these are the feet so that it goes into the soil properly and it does not move. Now I show you the part. This is a fork, plumbing fork. Here we have the thread hook for this. You can hang the plumb bob with this, and then you have to use it. This one is a spirit level. Here we check it by the two-way. We check like this also and like this also. So we can shift a bit of this table by top or by legs. This one is when it reaches you, they all come with the same box. All this Alidade, compass, Trough compass, plumb bob, and this is plumbing fork and Spiritlevel. All these parts, they come to you in this box. This one is Alidade. It has a marking here, and then you can see how much is the distance. This compass is, when you have to use it, you just lose this, then this is possibly, and then you can tap it, and then it should face the north. Then you chart, make your all these levels and all these things you can do as per your experiment need. And then you can this board can be lifted up and down by the level, either by feet or by a little adjustment. So this is all available with us. We have got the dumpy level, and this is threadolite is also available. You can see other videos how to fit it. Here also in the threadolite there is a stand. There is also, we have got another video of the compass, prismatic compass, and this is our email abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is India 99922222049. You can send us your videos, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.